guys, today we are going to be repairing this lost truck. It's not lost, but like it's abandoned. This is a tow truck, and rather than using the wrecker, since it's not in like a place where I can't reach it with a flatbed, I'm using the flatbed. If you look closely, you can get a glimpse of it over there. So yeah, I'm going to be restoring it, and I'm getting it'll be a new truck. And I'm not pulling out backup for it. So yeah, I'm gonna pull in here. Oh yeah, parking is here. I'm gonna pull back here. I could do a better job. So I'm gonna pull back here. And then shut off the truck. Then walk over to first I'm going to get some nah, I'll get something after. So yeah, I'm going to head over to his house. And I'm not, for the matter of fact, I'm not sure myself if this truck can fit on my trailer. It's because it's a dually truck. It's like 70 kg crew cab dually long box. I think it's a long box. I don't remember. But it's really rusted out. And so we're gonna go here and recover it. So yeah. And then after I might get a trailer. I'm debating whether we just back in. In my mind, I was debating whether we back in or drive in. It's because the road, it's a circle. I just thought of backing in. Man, this truck goes quick. And so once I go to customization, it's because most of the long bed trucks like the Cat Eye. I'll show you that in a sec once I get lined up. Like the Cat Eye that just got its update. So you know how the Cat Eye got an update, right? Some time ago. So what happened is it got a way longer bed. So it can fit. It can have a toolbox and a salt spreader. So I have the bed extended all the way. So what I'll do is, I know it's not advised to, but it won't hurt to do it. I'll use I'll hook it up, and then so I'll just pull back a bit so that I can what? What's the word? So that I can it can just pull it up. Here's the hook for the cable attached here. I wanna see if now it's a 3D chain. This one it's just a 2D chain. As you can see, it's really flat. I just find that really cool. So yeah, let's get this thing loaded up. And this video is kind of based off of the idea I went for my first video. Was it just me? That went flawless, bro. And we can even pull it up a bit more. Attach. Either way, it's fine. It's because it's already set to really no lower. Because, like I said, for my first video, I did a the video was I wasn't using my voice. The video was me getting a record, and I was using the screen right this. I was using this to screen right. So yeah, like I was saying, let's get this loaded, strapped up. I unstrapped it and pushed it up a bit. So it's stayed on to how many words. If you see my latest video, yeah. If you see my latest video, I was able to make a video. Oh no, this should be I was able to I mean, the video already had a thumbnail, but if you look at it, the thumbnail's drawn. So I think, and like I was saying, this truck I bought. So I'm gonna go open this door. So once I buy it, I'm debating whether getting a trailer and then hauling one of my trucks back. Probably and I'm thinking I'm actually going to pick up a new truck too. So like I was saying, I got a new truck. And talk about it, it's a cat eye, so it has a really, and it's quite the load. So it's a crew cab truck with a long bed. So right guys, wait, where did I leave off? No, my bad. So right guys, like I was saying, let me put the truck back. And for some reason, when you push it down, it does this thing where when you put it forward, when you pull it up, it'll the front nose go down. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let me unhook it and then roll it down. So I was able to roll the truck down. Then first, let's restore the paint. Why is it so you were able to get the rust off. For some reason, when you took the rust off, it was this weird orangey color. But we're gonna make it red, and look at how bright that red is, bro. You really see it? See into it? There's no reflection. So let me. Is there? Damn. So right now, zero reflect. When I put it at like this, it turns it white though. Like this is just chrome. So once I get back into that dark, I'll put it at that dark red. And I don't want too much shine, but I also don't want no shine. Okay. Give it a bit of a glisten. Then I'll put some turbos. It has. Oh my god. So first, I think what I'm gonna do is exhaust. I'm putting it lowest as possible. Max size, zero transparency. Max lifetime. Like, look at the 0.5 seconds. It's legit. It's legit going. It's legit just boom, 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 boom. No, like I'm putting it at the max. Cause me personally, I don't like my truck lifted. I'm gonna lift this up. I know, I don't want it really low. I don't want to squat it. I want it. A dually wheels dually wheels with camber looks weird, bro. Alright, so it's true. Let's work. Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. So yeah, and I think I might do the offset. I might give it a little bit of a wideness. So I think I'm gonna leave these movie going. And they have this. So my way of knowing if it's a long box or short box is go into customizations and find out if you can put a salt spreader with a toolbox. That means it's a long box. If you can, low-key that looks. Just me, it doesn't look good. But once it comes winter time, right now I don't need it. Once it comes winter time, I'll consider putting it in. Putting a salt spreader in my truck. So yeah. Alright, so I'll put these on. Anything else I'm gonna do? Is there? So what I'm gonna do with my cab lights, since the average cab light color is like this orange. So we've done that. So yeah, like I was saying, I am going to put my flap, I'm gonna check the flatbed. Raise for sector for charging my son. And then, dang, it's already nighttime? That's crazy. So yeah. I'm going to use the same dually truck that I built to tow the rigs home. So yeah, like I was saying, let me just turn off the beacon, so let me just turn these off. Now let me, no. So yeah, let me turn these off. Then I'm gonna go to dealership. And then get a trailer. I didn't realize that there's because it blended in with the dark. So yeah, let me get a trailer. Wait, did it actually turn? I don't remember. Did it turn? Did it turn them? Yeah, like I was saying. Oh yeah. I'm going to get a gooseneck trailer. And one thing that's cool is that when you spawn a trailer, you can do this thing where fart and a brain attack. I'd have a fart and a brain attack as soon as I tried to. No, bro, this thing would not fart and brain attack. It would just die if I tried doing a burnout with it. It's because it doesn't got the horses for it. So I load this one up. No way. I think we might actually have the same. Either way, this is the cat I got. No, it doesn't. And that's the cat I got. Let me load this up. Oh, by the way, believe it. I'll probably just back the trailer into my driveway. Figure things out tomorrow. Cause I spent the full day on this. Like, I think the sun's rising for the next day. And with this truck, the reason that has such wide tires is because it's a drift truck. And here, look. What you gotta do with it first, when you press both pedals, it goes into reverse first cycle for a few seconds, and then it starts ripping. And then it has a track bar too. And then, or you can do this. It's got a whistle. It's twin turbocharged. It has 2 turbos and a supercharger. As we're coming the truck, and the truck I just restored after it being in a wreck. Because I spent quite a bit of money into this. And the nice thing is about this being a dovetail, you can park it on the edge without having to worry about it falling off into the dovetail. And the reason it's squatting so much is because I tried making the suspension not stiff at all, so it's not really that stiff. That's what. And so when I get home, I'll probably sleep in. It's because it's already morning of the next day. That's quite insane. Spent full day working on this. So yeah. When I get home, I'm going to back to my driveway and go to my house and sleep. It's because sleep is what I need. Yeah. Oh, I didn't think this through. Like legit, there's no good way I can do this. So by the time I get the trailer to my house though, it's gonna be the next day though. So this is what I meant. So off my lights. So yeah, I parking this in the parking here. Get off this truck. And come to think of it, these are all Duramaxes. It's because that one's an old Duramax. I don't know what the L5PD. And this was an L5PD Duramax. This one's an LBZ. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that. I don't know that much about. I am a car guy, truck guy, whatever. But I don't know much about my Duramaxes. I know the LBZ, LB5, LBP. That's just about all I know. So let me come to my house, my home, and I know my Power Strokes. My 7.3 Power Stroke 6.0, 5.7 liter, 6.7 Power Stroke. That's just about all I know. So I need to find my bedroom and go to sleep. No, that's the laundry room. That leads to the garage. Listen, I just moved here, guys. So don't laugh at me. All right, bye, guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.